today's fast-paced business landscape, managing complex operations can feel like navigating a maze. Are you grappling with disconnected systems, inefficient workflows, or missed opportunities? At NOI Technologies, we understand these challenges. We are a pioneering ERP service provider dedicated to transforming your enterprise operations. We don't just build systems, we craft solutions that empower your business to thrive. Our unique strength lies in our foundation. We build cutting-edge ERP solutions on top of powerful open-source frameworks like Moki and Apache OFBiz. This means unparalleled flexibility, robust scalability, and a future-proof architecture without the prohibitive licensing costs of proprietary software. We leverage the power of global innovation to your advantage. Our expertise spans across diverse industries. For e-commerce businesses, we streamline order processing, inventory management, and improve customer experience. In retail, we integrate Omnichannel inventory sync, POS integration with ERP, and smart replenishment and alerts. For manufacturing, we provide end-to-end solutions for production planning and work orders, inventory and batch traceability. From education to supply chain management, our adaptable ERP solutions cater to your unique operational needs, regardless of your sector. But we are more than just a technology provider. We are your strategic partner, committed to understanding your specific challenges and co-creating solutions that drive real, measurable results. Our team of experienced professionals ensures a seamless implementation, ongoing support, and continuous innovation, helping you stay ahead in a competitive market. Ready to innovate and elevate your enterprise? Visit us and learn how NOI Technologies can transform your business. Let's build your future together.